Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we are learning one ayat from Holy Quran. If we read this ayat when we are in a problem, like someone is just to look us in a bad way and target us with bad words, so then we have to read this ayat 11 times and blow towards that person. Inshallah, you will be saved. Similarly, if you are going on the way, you are finding some animal that is coming to hurt you or harm you or bite you, like the dogs or some other animal. So you have to read this at least 11 times and blow towards that one. Inshallah, you will be saved. Similarly, if you find a person who is abusing you by different ways, by different bad words, so you have to read this one, blow towards that person. Inshallah, you will be saved. Similarly, if you find a person who is enemy and wants to hurt you physically or with some other way, so then inshallah you have to read this ayat 11 times and request Allah and blow towards that place where is the situation of hurt is possible. So you will be saved, inshallah. Similarly, if a person who is joking you, insulting you, or talking like filthy language or sexual indecent language or bad words, so you are under problem from that person. If you read this ayat and blow towards that person, inshallah you will be saved. But if you have to read 100 times every day, start and end with Durood Salam to Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, inshallah you will be saved from the hatred of someone, racism of from the people, jealousy of the people. You will be saved from racism, hatred, jealousy, enmity of the people, inshallah. So this is ayat from Suratul Baqarah, ayat number 18. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم صم بكم أمي فهم لا يرجعون صم بكم أمي فهم لا يرجعون صم بكم أمي فهم لا يرجعون. Summum, they are deaf. Bukmun, dumb. Umyun, and blind. Fahum la yarji'un, so they will never return. Summum bukmun umyun, fahum la yarji'un, they are deaf, dumb, and blind, so they will never return. So this ayat, if you read 11 times at a time where you are and you feel something is no good and people they are in hate or racism with you or having jealousy in them and talking with their rude way, read this and blow towards them, inshallah you will be saved. But if you read 100 times every day, then you go out, inshallah you will be saved completely and fully. Allah's protection will be towards you and you will have no problem, inshallah. But if you feel any disturbance, trouble, problem, so inshallah you have to read this. Allah's blessings will fall upon you and you will be saved from the bad mouth words of the people, and also people who want to hurt, you will be saved from that, inshallah. Allah's blessings will fall upon you and inshallah Allah will increase your respect and Allah's blessings will fall upon you. Be thankful to Allah and inshallah Allah will help you everywhere in this world. Inshallah. Ameen.